Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how much does email marketing cost? First, it's important to understand what email marketing is and how it works. As the name would suggest, email marketing is all about communicating with your audience using targeted emails sent to a specific mailing list. What makes email marketing so effective is that you're communicating with people who've opted into your communication, meaning you're dealing with a much more engaged audience than people who discover your business organically. So how much does email marketing cost? Well, the answer is it depends on a lot of factors, including the size of your mailing list, the complexity of your email marketing strategy, and the number of resources that you have available. And I'm not just talking about dollars to throw at the agency managing your email marketing. I'm also talking about images, copywriting, existing content that you can leverage to fill out your email marketing campaigns. You also have platform fees to consider. There's a lot of different email marketing platforms out there, and all of them have different pricing structures. At 2H Media, the platform we use is Klaviyo, and they base their pricing structure on the number of emails in your mailing list. These costs can range drastically depending on the size of your mailing list, but most small businesses can expect to spend around $30 a month on platform fees. This cost includes access to the platform and all of its features, but you're also going to need to invest in setup, integration with your existing website, and someone to manage your campaigns on an ongoing basis. Our process for email marketing involves designing your first template, integrating with your existing website, and setting up some simple automations so that you can hit the ground running. The cost of getting started depends on the complexity of your email marketing strategy, but normally you can expect to spend between $3,000 and $5,000 for a basic setup and integration. Now, if you want to save some money, you can also set up your email marketing yourself. If you choose to go that route, I recommend keeping your email marketing strategy simple because you're already going to have a lot to learn about the platform and its capabilities. Ultimately, the cost of setting up and managing email marketing really depends on what your business needs. If you're interested in learning more about email marketing, I recommend booking a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that's right for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with clarity and confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy call. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.